Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel where I, Paige, am wearing a Sailor Moon shirt and going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Sometimes it's fun to revisit things that you loved as a child or as a teenager, especially if you're trying to get in the spirit of writing young adult novels like I do. I find that listening to playlists that I loved in high school, watching anime that I was a big fan of, puts me in that headspace where I can empathize with my characters a lot easier. I can really dive into their feelings and the drama and the crushes especially. So take a minute and think about the things that you loved as a kid, as a teenager, and try to watch one of those this week and see if it inspires you. I'm wishing the best of luck on your writing. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.